Pablo Escobar was a Colombian criminal and the world's most powerful drug trafficker during the 1980s and early 90s. As head of the Medellin Cartel, Escobar turned Medellin, commonly referred to as the City of Eternal Spring, into what many called the murder capital of the world. In this video, we are going to explore the Colombian homes of Pablo Escobar and see what the Colombians have done to erase his legacy of fear and murder. Escobar died in December of 1993 in a shootout with authorities when he was 44. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I promise to bring you a wide range of diverse videos as I explore this fascinating world around us. I'll see you on the other side of the introduction, and watch on. The life and terror of Pablo Escobar is a controversial subject matter in Colombia. Many television shows and movies over the past few years have romanticized and sensationalized Escobar. The truth is, most Colombians are humiliated by this man and the drug cartels of Medellin and Cali. Colombians are trying to hide the scars left behind in this country they love so much. During the late 1980s, Pablo Escobar and his family lived atop an 8-story building in one of the most affluent neighborhoods or barrios of Medellin, El Poblado. Escobar called his building the MONACO building after the Principality of Monaco along the French Riviera. It was constructed in 1986 and contained 12 apartments, 2 swimming pools, and a soccer field, as well as a 2-story penthouse where Escobar lived with his wife and their 2 children. This high-rise that symbolized Pablo Escobar's power was toppled on Friday, the 22nd of February, 2019. The implosion was telecast live on television throughout Colombia in an aim to bring an end to the painful chapter in Colombia's history. In its place is a park honoring the victims of narco-terrorism. It is called Parque Inflexión Memorial Medellin. If you take a 3.5-hour drive southeast of Medellin, you will come upon the location of Pablo Escobar's luxurious 7,000-acre estate, Hacienda NÁPOLES. The estate included a Spanish colonial house, a sculpture garden, a private airport, a bullfighting ring, tennis court, soccer field, and a zoo of exotic and farm animals. The zoo included animals from different continents, including elephants, ostriches, giraffes, hippopotamus, and horses. On the top of the hacienda's entrance gate is a replica of a Piper airplane. After Escobar's death, the estate was transformed into Parque Temático Hacienda Nápoles, along with the Jurassic Park, which is an African-themed park. In addition to the zoo, these parks include a water park, a guided safari attraction, dinosaur replicas, aquariums, and an exhibit featuring Colombian caves. Approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes from downtown Medellin by car is the resort town of Guatapé. On the shores of the Piñol Reservoir, Escobar built a lavish estate called La Manuela Hacienda, or Finca La Manuela, after his daughter. The term finca is interchangeable with the words farm or ranch. Covering 20 acres, La Manuela Hacienda consists of a mansion surrounded by a pool, tennis courts, incredible views, a soccer field, stables, a guest house, a seaplane dock, and a driveway designed for motorcycles. The main house even included its own discotheque. La Manuela has been abandoned and overtaken by nature. Over the years, this mansion has been bombed many times, including treasure hunters looking for hidden gold and cash. Paintball enthusiasts have also been destructive. La Isla Grande, a small island resort destination of Colombia, was the location of a secret retreat home for Pablo Escobar. Near the islands of Rosario and Peru, off the coast of Cartagena, the home for Escobar became famous for its lavish parties. This island getaway featured a mansion, seaside apartments, a gigantic swimming pool, and of course a helicopter pad. Now owned by the federal government of Colombia and left unmaintained, this party resort has diminished into ruins. The final Colombian home of Pablo Escobar was in fact a luxurious prison that he built for himself in the mountains outside of Medellin. Escobar made an agreement in 1991 with the Colombian government that he would surrender to authorities in exchange for not being extradited to the United States. The prison, called La CATEDRAL, also went by the names Hotel Escobar and Club Medellin. The amenities included the requisite soccer field, a sauna, waterfall, a bar, and office equipment for Escobar, including telephones, computers, and fax machines. In 2007, a group of Benedictine monks took over the facility and transformed it into a monastery. They built a library, cafeteria, chapel, and even a guest house for religious pilgrimage and workshops. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you get an opportunity, subscribe to the channel so you can join me next time.